We fixed the bug! You are on this playlist. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. If you just want technical demos, go here. The source code is here. You can email me here. Let's get going before we run out of time. In the Konamic functions section, in the Konamic EVT function that listens to keyboard events given to it by the keyboard master, if we scroll down here, this section of code says that we've already done up, up, down, down, left, right, and the Konami key sequence is active, and now it's waiting for an A through Z or number key to be pressed. We're going to set the flag to 0 once we enter this block, and then down here, we've tacked on this section of code right here, which prevents the bug from happening. So you can see right here, char code at 0. Well, the first character in this string for the arrow keys is A, so it erroneously activated the A shortcut. So we're going to check for this explicitly, and then we're also going to check to make sure that the string is equal to 1. So if the string is not equal to 1, we're going to do nothing, because this code down here is assuming that the string representing the key we pressed is just a single character. So this block of code is all we added, and it fixed the bug. We no longer have a bug, and here is what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want the source code, you can get it right here. You can email me here. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic IV MMO.